Welcome back, divas. It's your girl TX Beauty Queen 83, and I'm coming at you today with my VIB Rouge Sephora haul. So I already know, I'm just gonna let you guys know now, there will be a part 2 to this video. I've seen a couple of things in Sephora today that I absolutely do want that were out of stock, and I couldn't make my mind up on or whatever, but there's a few more products that I'm going to pick up next week, so there's going to be a part 2 to this video. Anyway, VIB Rouge started on Friday, so I got some stuff from Sephora. I also picked up something from NARS while I was in the area. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. You guys know that I have been absolutely obsessed with the new Cover FX Power Play foundation, so I did have to pick up another shade, and this is probably going to be my final shade, and this is G90. So I picked that one up, and of course it was 15% off. Let me go ahead and get the receipt so I can let you guys know the percentages. Okay. All right, so it's normally $44. It ended up being $37.40 after the 15%. So I'm just gonna start grabbing. You guys know that I have been obsessed since last November or last October or whatever with the Shiseido facial cotton. I just restocked my bathroom and my beauty cart with the last that I had about this much left. So I went ahead and picked these up. Should have got 2. I don't know why I always do that to myself. So I picked one of these up. These normally retail for $10, and they were $8.50, the 15%. Next, I picked up some of the Beauty Blender cleaner. I really do like this for my Beauty Blender as well as deep cleaning my brushes. I typically use this, the Cinema Secrets, to clean my brushes, but this is a quick cleanse. I use the Beauty Blender cleaner to do a deep cleanse on my brushes once a week. And this one does retail for $16, and I ended up getting it for $13.60. All right, I also decided to go ahead and pick up some blotting papers. These were not the ones that I wanted. I wanted the large Rose Herbal, the $8 ones, and these were $3. Got them for $2.55. Turns out it's because they are mini, and these were 100 sheets. Actually, let me go ahead and pause. A few people did ask me for a recommendations video, so I'm sorry I couldn't get to that, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do one this weekend if you guys are still interested. So comment down below. If you are not VIB Rouge, the sale starts for you next week, so there is still time if you're interested in what I would recommend for you to buy. The next product is the Duo Lash Glue. This is my very favorite lash glue. I do like the regular Duo Lash Glue, but for some reason it seemed like the brush on is even more tacky, and it just works better to me. I don't know why, but I've been using this since it first came out years ago, like 3 or 4 years ago. So I had to pick up some of that. Another thing that I had been dying to try, y'all, is the NARS liquid blush that came out last year. Okay, so my camera died on me, sorry about that. So I was just telling you guys that I had to have the new NARS liquid blush. I have not tried it out yet. The one that I really wanted was out of stock, so I went so I ended up picking up Torrid. This is Torrid, and this is the way the packaging looks, and it does have a little pump on it, so I am super excited about that. So yeah, the liquid blush. Now, while I was in the area, I was doing some research online, and I seen that NARS had an exclusive, or it was either a blush that had not came to Sephora yet, and this one was the Hot 10 Roof. So I had to just stop by there and pick this up real quick, and this color is beautiful. See, this one is a little bit more coral. This one is a little bit more red, and this is Torrid, and this is Hot 10 Roof. I also want to get Dolce Vita, but they didn't have that one in stock, so yeah. This is what they look like. spread out. They are absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Okay. All right, so we got the lash glue, we got the blotting paper, we got the blush. The next thing is the Girlll I Beauty Elixir set. This is the Instant Detox Mask, Instant Foaming Cleanser, and the Beauty Elixir Spray. I have been dying to try this spray, and then when I found out that they had a gift set for the same amount as just the spray, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. So yeah, you got the cleanser, and it says it's supposed to instantly detoxify the skin, and the toning mist, it makes the skin glow and preps the skin and also sets makeup. So I'm so excited to try this out. You guys let me know if you have before already. Another product is the Girlll I Terracotta. Is it Girlll I or Girlll I? Girlll I Terracotta Bronzer. The bronzing powder. They have been known as the bronzing authority for years. I think that this product first came out in the 80s, or they came out with the first bronzer in the 80s. So this is the terracotta, and the packaging is beautiful. It actually reminds me of the Estee Lauder. Well, first of all, the Estee Lauder is literally double, more than double the product, but here it is. It's very sleek, by the way. This is the bronzer. I am wearing it now. You really don't see it real good, but you can really kind of tell on my forehead. But it doesn't, it's one of those products where it doesn't go back all the way. It goes halfway or 3/4 of the way, but I'm still cool with that. It's very simple packaging, and it actually, the smell, it's a really powdered down kind of smell. Kind of reminds me of an older woman that puts on baby powder after she gets out of the shower. That's really what it reminds me of. But yeah, I'm wearing it now. I'll demo it for y'all. I told you guys already, bronze, glowy, dewy. Me all summer, and shimmer on the lids all summer. I hope you're ready. But yeah, that is the Girlll I bronzer, and I'm so excited about this one. I've been wanting to try it for a long time, and I don't know why I never picked it up before. Anyways, and last but not least, what I am absolutely the most excited about is the McGrath Submersive Mothership palette. It is absolutely beautiful. You guys know that these palettes are super pricey, but first let me go ahead and mention the price of the NARS blush. The NARS blush is $30, and the Girlll I Terracotta Bronzer is $53. And after the discount, I got the bronzer for $45.05, regular price $53. So I got a good penny off of that. Anyway, the McGrath Mothership 3 Submersive palette was $125. I got it for $106, and that is going to be $18.75 off. I am so excited about this palette. I mean, it's on my eyes right now, y'all. I'm living. But yeah, this is how you take it out. This is the packaging. Then it has a card in here. Ooh. It has the card in here with the shades of the eyeshadow colors, which I don't like. And another thing that I will note is that they do not put the name of the palette anywhere on the palette. So if you have more than one of these palettes, you will not be able to differentiate between which one's which without opening it up. But very high quality, very heavy The mirror is amazing. It's really nice beveled mirror, and these colors, y'all, wow. I mean, I used it today for the first time. Tutorial coming soon, by the way, and I am not disappointed. I am just as thrilled as I was with the Bronze Ambition palette. I have no regrets. I have no regrets. And I'm actually getting kind of bougie because I'm like, if it ain't Pat McGrath, then I don't want it in terms of for eyeshadows. Because just the quality and the blendability and the pigmentation, honey, is on point. Anyway, the guy put a lot of little goodies in my bag. So let's see what all he put in here. This is the first thing that he put in. It's like a little credit card holder. This is cute. Credit card holder. I'll put this card in there right now, actually. Super cute. And I got some fresh, Sinfully Sweet lip, okay, the caramel lip balm, a sample of that. I got the sugar lip balm. This one is the therapy one, and this one is the sunscreen SPF 15 in it. So I got those samples. I got 3 samples of this Radiance oil. I don't know if, okay, so this is just an oil that you leave on the skin. I got 3 of those. And last but not least, he put in another little goodie bag, and let's see what came in here. The new Clinique concealer, which I have been hearing about. Fresh clay mask, the Toxavine clay mask, and the Big T's mascara by Buxom, a sample of that. And the Josie Marin argan oil, Algenist anti-aging face cream, and the Tarte Hello Hydration. I don't do Tarte no more. Beauty blender cleaner. So yeah, those are the samples. He gave me quite a bit of samples. They normally don't give this much. This is kind of like, it makes me feel like I ordered online or something. So I don't know if they're just doing this for the VIB Rouge event or what. Anyway, I love shopping. I love makeup. I love hauling. I love coming and talk to you guys about makeup. This is only the second VIB Rouge event that I've done on my channel. I've been on YouTube for a couple of years now, and for some reason I never did a lot of these types of videos. But you guys let me know what other types of typical YouTuber videos that you would like to see me do, because I am all in, honey. Let me know what you want and I can make that happen. If you guys are VIB Rouge, let me know down below. Let me know what you got. If you are not, if you just regular VIB, let me know, and I'd be interested to see what you guys are going to pick up next week. So that's all I have for you for today. Until the next time, divas, I will see you later. Bye.